This beam here is the beam that's being replaced, and the new beam is going to go in. That way larger train cars can fit in here. This is a temporary supporting beam here. You see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 beams running across there. We call those needles, and that supports the blocks temporarily. And there's another beam on the inside that those needles run across and sit on. We have 2 holes poked in the side for the 2 support beams, and then the 3rd hole in the middle is where the new beam will go, right here. This is the new beam here. You can see that the blocks will sit on this ledge right here. Now you can see, we use a strap to get the beam in. And now he's going to push it in. Okay, we're going to slide the beam to its final position using the forks. So Jim just got out the beam. See, we pulled out the needles. We just torched out the old beam. We left part of it in just to support it until we get more block worked in over there. You see, we left part of it in just to support it. We just cut a little H-beam off. Alright, and we're all finished, you can see. This beam here, it both welds, and there's also a bolt, and it bolts to this beam over here. See it there.